Hey, Grandma.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Look what we got you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're back?
Yeah. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, we're back. He's back.
Oh, oh no!
Okay.
Oh my God!
No, Grandma, you can name her anything you want, but not Amelia.
No.
Anything you want at all.
Oh, how
It's a girl, and she's like 8 or 9 weeks.
And she's
old.
very adorable.
Yes.
When I was driving with Rayanna, she was laying on Rayanna's back
And
like a little baby.
she was pawing my face.
She
and
was-
she was
Look at her, look at
pawing
her,
my
yeah.
glasses.
Look at
Oh, she loves you. She's
She looking at. She looks like
beautiful.
what the fuck?
How old is she?
8 or 9 weeks old.
Oh my God!
And she likes licking me.
Yeah.
I went to
She
I went to
tried-
go pick her up. That's where me and Rayanna went. I went to go
Oh
get her
my
for you.
God! I love you so much.
So guys, so she tried biting me in the car because I think she thinks it's Baba.
I can't tell you
Not a
how
Baba.
pretty I am.
Nipple.
Yeah.
You're welcome. The only thing, she's not potty trained yet.
And
Oh,
Grandma,
that-
in the
to get
car
her,
she tried biting me a few times. It doesn't hurt. She just did it because I think she thinks my fingers are nipples. And she also likes licking my fingers.
Oh,
The
she's
fingers.
beautiful. Where'd you get her?
Paula Darling's.
Paula.